evening, guys. In this problem, we need to find the height of one complete glass. Direct calculate na lang natin to, guys. So, let x be the height of one complete glass. Complete glass. And let y natin be the height of the overlapping glass. So, sa figure 1 natin, which is gawin ko na lang siyang equation 1, we have this one. Itong figure 1 natin. We have x, y, 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 y. So, in equation, we have x plus y plus y plus y plus y is equals to 34. Simplifying further, we have x plus 4y is equals to 34. In calculator, ang ilalagay natin sa calculator, 1, 4, and 34. And then, sa equation 2 natin is this one, x, y. So, we have in equation x plus y is equals to 19. And yung input natin sa calculator is 1, 1, and 19. Then, gamit yung ating Canon F789 SJA emulator, we have to go to mode 5, 1. So, to equation to, anon pa rin, guys? 1 equals 4 equals 34 equals, so equation 2 ulit, 1, 1, and 19. We have value of x as 14 and value of y as 5. So we have x is equals to 14 centimeter, which is yung height ng complete glass. And we have the value of y as 5 centimeter as the overlapping. So, ang ating final answer, guys, is this one, 14 centimeter. Remember, just do your best and God will do the rest.